Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about Reachinbox. Reachinbox is an AI-powered cold email tool designed to improve email deliverability and engagement for business conducting outreach campaigns. Its main goals is to ensure that cold emails land directly in the recipient's inbox rather than in the spam folder. The tool accomplishes this through several features including advanced email warm-ups that prepare your email account for optimal deliverability. Reach Inbox also automates the creation of personalized email sequences using AI, which helps improve open rates and engagement. The tool supports and manages multiple email accounts with features like auto rotation, A/B testing, and automated follow-ups. It's ideal for scaling outreach, whether you're handling sales, marketing, or lead generation campaigns. It also integrates with CRMs and other tools to streamline workflow. Reachinbox offers a free trial, so make sure to check out the link on the description box below and it will redirect you to the official page right here. Now, once inside, you want to head over to the Get Started Now button and it will then basically redirect you to the sign up page right here. And right after logging in your account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. Welcome to Reach Inbox. You can go ahead and create a lead list, start warm up for mailboxes, and create a campaign. So first things first, you want to go ahead and click on the create lead list right here. And once inside, you now want to enter your lead list name. Let's just go ahead and put this one as an example. From here, you can then go ahead and add your CSV file. You can add Google Sheet or add it manually. Basically, from here, you then have your functionalities like your home, your email accounts, campaigns, lead list, one box, and analytics. You can go ahead and start adding your email accounts by clicking on the email category right here. Once inside, go ahead and click on the add new mailbox. From here, you can then go ahead and connect your Google account, Gmail account, or other email provider like Outlook, IMAP, or SMTP. Or you can just go ahead and click on one of this as an example. In our case, let's just go ahead and click on our Google account right here. And so right after logging in your account, you can now go ahead and see your entire account right here. You can add multiple email accounts if you want to. Right below that, we then have our campaigns. Go ahead and click on add view, and from here we can just customize this the way we want to, starting with the campaign name. Click on continue, and now we have managed to create a campaign successfully. Once again, you want to go ahead and drag your file right here in order to send them to multiple email addresses. From here, you then have your workspaces. If you want to create multiple workspaces, you can just go ahead and do so it will be easier for you to transfer between your presets. Right below that, we then have our lead list. In here, we have our test lead list as we have created earlier. You can just go ahead and click on the add new leads if you don't have leads yet. From here, once again, you can then go ahead and drag and drop your CSV file right here. Just below that, you then have your one box category. From here, you can then go ahead and see your inbound emails. You have your leads, interested, meeting books, meeting completed, and more. You have your inbox, all, automatic replies, unread only, and send category to make everything easier to find right here. And lastly, you have your analytics for your campaigns. So if you have managed to create a campaign already, you can just go ahead and see the overall analytics of that specific campaign. This will go ahead and refresh every 10 minutes to go ahead and keep you updated. If you then browse through right here, you can then go ahead and click on download. You can even filter this out if you want to. So guys, Before we end the video, make sure to check the link on the description box below to go ahead and get the promo discount code in Reachinbox. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.